You want to see? You want to see if the bunny was here? Come here.
Hey, Daddy! Hey, Daddy! He's playing in the car in the water.
Okay, go check to see.
Come on, Daddy!
Mama's go check.
Dee Dee, wait, you gotta wait for Leah. He found some eggs already. Here's your basket. Come
But
here,
he's
this.
playing in my basket.
Let's go see what we find. Let's go put the heat on. Leah, we was here and he pooped on the floor.
Ew.
He ate the carrots.
Yeah.
He pooped on our floor. Ew.
How about we just... Yuck.
Easy money poop. Whoa. Hey, you want to find some eggs? Here, Leah, let's go find them.
Mommy, how about... Ew.
Look.
Mommy, I wish...
Leah, look. You got an egg. Put it in your basket.
Mommy.
Good girl. What's in the egg? Open the eggs.
No, Mommy, look. The body did... When he pooped, look, he made X marks the spot.
You know what?
What?
Let's see what this bunny poop is. He pooped chocolate. What did he poop?
Chocolate.
Chocolate Lucky Charms. Look, the Easter Bunny was here and he pooped.
Ew! That was a poop easy. Hey, that's chocolate Lucky Charms. Chocolate Lucky Charms. He must be magic.
I don't need to be on this.
Daddy. Hey, Daddy. He pooped chocolate Lucky Charms.
I heard you 5 times.
That's amazing. You must be
Hey,
magic.
Daddy. Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy. He's playing carrots and drinking water.
Easter Bunny ate the carrots and drank the water?
Yeah.
Wow.
And
He must have
magic.
been. You think he was hungry?
Yeah, the poop is like a jar. Ew.
Ew. No one's eating them like this. Wow, though.